I'm a student of final semester LLB from Mumbai University, and I'm a first generation lawyer at my family. Awaiting for the examination due to COVID, I have not yet completed my final semester of LLB. From my LLB course itself, I was like more into keen into the CRPC, IPC parts. So as I gone through some courses is available or not, various courses were available apart from LawSeco also. But LawSeco, what I have heard from my friends, that is one of the reputation one. And even the LawSeco has given an enormous facility like online portal access, and most importantly, that if we are not satisfied in 45 days, the money back guarantee, that means itself, which something says that the course is worth, the course is worth. That's the one major thing has highlighted me to get into LawSeco, because in 45 days means it's really a huge days. And till that time a person may be satisfied or may not be satisfied, still LawSeco is giving a money back guarantee. So I am very much impressed on that point, and I immediately enrolled, and whatever I have done, and that more than the expectation I have received from the LawSeco. From this course, I can say that the from the papers what we learn from the CRPC or whatever, the practical implementation will be learning more like when we go to internship or somewhere else. That too up to a limited point I can understand, but still in LawSeco the advocates and justices were the part of the panels, and they were educating us in a such a way that all the sessions were response all the queries that we post, rather than skipping of questions. Here I got all the questions has been answered. Also, the most important thing is that in the LawSeco, experts were there. Also, someone who is moderating it, even though we are not able to express our questions in a level where the professionals are there, they conveys our questions to them and they get the answers answered. So that is the most important part from the LawSeco, the moderator in between. So that really helped me a lot. In general, placement cells really awesome. That uh, before I was in a confusion state. Very practically, I can say that I was in a confusion state because I have not yet completed my final semester. Still, they were asking me, "Are you okay with work as an internship or any job?" So they were posting continuously. Some of the other thing, there is lot of options that it is available to us, but I was just thinking what to choose, what to choose. In the meantime, some of the placement cell members have called me personally and asked me that there are posts you can opt for it after seeing my whatever the things I have submitted in the course and all those things. They really one-to-one kind of care is taken by the LawSeco. So it's one of the best I can say overall. Not only the course, not only the teaching methodology or how the practical implementation, also to the placements. Really, it's a very helpful one, I can say. I really want to express my sincere gratitude for all the efforts LawSeco has taken during this course and post the course, the placement cells and everything. From the day when I joined, I enjoyed each and every class, how the way the queries has been given to me in my advanced criminal litigation and trial advocacy course, that gained lots of knowledge in practical essence. The professionals, whoever the mentored, never fail to keep up with the ever evolving landscape of education in a practical manner. So, which really, even in between, if I'm just struggling somewhere, the motivational kind of things from the LawSeco staffs, everyone really helped. That they ask personally calling, are you facing any trouble if we get delayed in submitting the assignments? So overall I can say that it's like more a kind of student and sir or mentor. That way we can't say, we can say that morely like friendly or family kind of things. great attention, with a great knowledge I have gained. So overall, Law Seco is a very landmark thing in my career. At the start, I can say immediately after completing my LLB, it's like one of the great thing. And right now, I have placed in one of the senior advocate of Supreme Court Law Chambers. I was a part of intern, so I'm really happy to Law Seco that because of them only I'm over here today. Thank you.